Hey ladies, today is hair day, and I mean bundle day. I'm going to show you the different type of closures I have and the different type of bundles that I have. So first, let's start with the 2x6, which are these two. This is the Peruvian straight and this is the Peruvian body wave. Now these closures are for the girls who don't want to switch their parts around and they just want that nice straight sleek part. No need to get up in the morning and do anything to it. Just get up and go. Now these closures are 40 bucks any length from 10 to 20 inches. You can sew these closures in with bundles or with hair from the supply store. It doesn't really matter. They're not as big as the normal closures, which are 4x4. These are 2x6, so you get a very long part, which I think is amazing because it gives you that Kim K sleek look. So now let's move on to the silk base closures. There's two different types. There's a type that doesn't have lace, which is this one, and there's a type that does come with lace. So this is the Peruvian body wave. And what I really love about this closure in particular is that it gives you a natural scalp without having to do any editing, no bleaching the knots, no plucking, nothing like that. So let's see if we can zoom in and show you how natural this scalp is. As we get in closer, you can see that there's no net. So you're not having to bleach anything or pluck anything. You get a natural look from jump, from without having to do anything. Now we're going to move on to the coarse yaki silk closure. It does have a little lace on it. I normally cut it off and then edit it however to my client's liking. So this one also gives you a very natural scalp as well. Let's zoom in. No lace. You see? So anywhere you part your hair is a natural part. And that's exactly what you want when you're wearing any type of closure. You do want for it to look as natural so nobody's like looking up in your scalp trying to figure out what it is. This hair is coarse yaki. The length of this is a 18-inch. And it does have the corresponding bundles to go with it. Now, if you were to ask me what my favorite type of hair, texture of hair is, it would be the coarse yaki. I love when it looks like it is growing out of your scalp. You can wear these bundles as a versatile sew-in, or you can couple it with a closure and it'll still give you that same natural look. As always, my bundles are super thick and full. And when I mean super thick and full, I'm talking about from start to finish. No thin ends, none at all. And most of the time, when you buy 3 bundles, you really don't need too much. You can only use 2 for a versatile sew-in, or you can use 2 in a closure. But my client happens to love big hair, and trust me, when we're done, I'm going to do a video, and you're going to see how natural it's going to look. But this is my favorite type of hair because it does match my texture, and I don't have to do as much flat ironing at all to damage my hair. I can get up in the morning and wear it as a blowout, or I can flat iron it and go. So now let's move on to the Peruvian body wave. This is the hair that I have to color for my client. Her appointment is actually next week, but I try to get them done early so I don't have to do it when the appointment's ready. As always, like I said, my bundles are super thick and full from top to bottom. You see? No thin edges, no thin ends, nothing. Full from top to bottom. And the lengths are 20, 18, and a 16, if I'm remembering correctly. This one is my Malaysian body wave. Like I said, bundles are super thick. Client ordered 4 because she just loves big hair. Same thing, top to bottom, each bundle is completely full. And now we have the corresponding closure, actually the frontal. She requested a lace frontal. She does want me to edit it in the terms of bleaching the knots and plucking and plucking it, which I'm gonna do. I do sell silk base frontals. Those are coming, and once they come, I'm going to take a video and show you guys the difference between the lace frontal and the silk frontal. So far, we have got so many different closures, so many different types of hair that you guys can order. If you have any questions at all whatsoever, either DM me, text me. Do not email me. I don't check my emails very often, but texting is the most easiest way to reach me. I also have these types of hair as well on my website, www.nicostyles.com, under the tab Virgin Hair Bundle Deals. And the 2x6 I haven't put up yet online, but you can text me to get pricing. Now, do not think anything of the lace, because once you part your hair and you put this directly over the part, you will not be able to see any type of lace. So don't worry about that. But these are just for the girls who want that sleek part and not wanting to change the part around and just want to get up and go, you know. These closures are bigger, so you can part from here to here, you know, any direction. The same thing with this, and same thing with the frontal. The frontal is from ear to ear, so you can have a really, really deep side part, a middle part, and another deep side part on the right side. So, you guys let me know what you think. Bye!